So what's up, boys? Welcome back to my channel. And I couldn't upload for a while because I had a really bad cough, so that's why I didn't upload any videos because I couldn't talk much. So yeah, I'm back again. And so today I'm going to talk about the storyline. Storyline is actually the heart of MSNR. Okay, like this is the most important part of MSNR. Okay, so when you're trading MSNR, storyline is the most important thing. If you don't know how to identify the storyline, you're gonna get cooked actually. So okay, yeah. So what is a storyline in Msnr trading? So the storyline is the directional movement of price from a support level to a resistance level, or from a resistance level to a support level within a specific time frame. Okay, so simply this means price moving from a fresh level to another same time frame fresh levels. Okay, so that's the simplest way to understand the storyline concept. So that's the simplest way to actually explain the storyline concept, nothing more. Okay, so let's talk about some examples. So we have a daily fresh level right here, and we have a daily fresh level right here. This doesn't have to be a support or a resistance level. This has to be like a fresh level. Okay, this has to be a fresh level. If you don't know what is a fresh level, you can watch my other video explaining about fresh levels and MSNR key levels. So you can watch that video. And so yeah, let's talk about this. So this is a daily fresh level, and this is a daily another fresh level. So how do we identify the storyline? So storyline gonna happen like this. We have this daily fresh level right here. Market gonna come down here, and it gonna mitigate this daily fresh level, and it gonna make this daily fresh level unfresh. Okay, we came to this fresh level, we made it unfresh, and we are going to another fresh level. Market is going to another fresh level. Okay, so this movement, this price movement, market going from a specific fresh level to another same time frame specific fresh level, that's going to be our storyline, like a daily storyline. Okay, market came here and it came to this fresh level, and it can go up, it can come down. Okay, it can break this resistance and make it a RBS and go up, continue the bullish trend, or it can reverse from here. We can't guarantee that. Okay, we can't actually guarantee that. We need to wait for a shift to actually identify if the market going to reverse or it's going to continue. Okay, so that's how we identify our storyline. Market can go up from here, or it can reverse from here. Okay, so this price movement, market going from this fresh level to this fresh level, that this price movement, we call it as the storyline. Okay, so that's the simplest way to explain the storyline in example. So okay, two things we need two things to confirm our storyline. Okay, we need two things to confirm our storyline. So what are those two things? So the first one is rejection. Okay, rejection on the same time frame. We need a rejection on the same time frame to identify, like to identify the start and the end the storyline. Okay, start and the finish of the storyline. To identify that, we need these two confirmations: rejection on the same time frame and a breakout or shift in one time frame lower. Okay, breakout or shift in one time frame lower. If you know ICT concept, you can actually apply the time frame alignment concept to this also to look for the breakout or the shift. Like let's take an example, like you are looking at a daily storyline, and when you need to look for a breakout, when you need to look for the breakout, you can use the actually 1 hour time frame. Okay, so daily 1 hour, like 4 hour 15 minute, weekly 4 hour, and monthly daily, like the ICT time frame like alignment, that like classic ICT time frame alignment. Or you can use one time frame lower. Okay, so rejection on the same time frame and breakout or shift one time frame lower. So the rejection, so this is the rejection structure for SNR levels. So monthly rejection. Okay, so let's take this level as a monthly fresh level. Okay, so this level as a monthly fresh level. So this, okay, monthly rejection without monthly candle closing, it's still strong. Okay, if the market like come here, let me delete this. Okay, so if the market let's take this as a monthly fresh level. Let's take this as a monthly fresh level. Okay, so if the market comes here, and we need to look for rejection. So the first confirmation is the rejection. We need to look for a rejection. So how do we identify the rejection? This is how we identify the rejection. We need a candle closing like this. I don't care about the wick size. Okay, the wick can be like this, we can be like this, but it needs to mitigate this level. It needs to mitigate this monthly fresh level. We actually don't care about the wick size. We need to wait till the candle close actually. Okay, we need to wait till the candle close, but in monthly time frame we can look for entries before the monthly candle close because it's a strong level. Okay, we can refine these levels into like daily key levels and we can look for an entry. Okay, so I don't care about the wick size. I just need this candle to close below this key level. Okay, I just need this candle to close below this level. Same thing as same thing in here also. Like if you are looking for a buy setup, if you are looking for a buy setup, candle close has to be like this. Okay, candle close has to be above this key level, above this monthly fresh level or daily fresh level. Okay, the candle has to be close above the key level. If you are looking for sales, the candle has to be close below the fresh level. Okay, below our key level. So this is how we identify the rejection. Okay, the candle has to be close above or below the key level. That's all. Okay, that's all. That's very easy. That's very easy, right? That's the first confirmation that we need to confirm our storyline. Okay, that's the first confirmation that we need to confirm our storyline. After this rejection candle, okay, after this rejection candle, let me explain this again. So monthly rejection without monthly candle closing, it's still strong. Weekly rejection without weekly candle closing, it's still strong. Daily rejection with daily candle closing. See, we need to wait till the daily candle close. Okay, we need to wait till a daily candle close to confirm the daily storyline. Okay, from now on, we need to wait till the candle close actually. Okay, that's how we identify and confirm our storyline. So daily rejection with daily candle closing. The candle has to be close above or below our key level. Okay, 4 hour rejection with 4 hour candle closing, 1 hour rejection with 1 hour candle closing, 15-minute rejection with 15-minute candle closing. That's all. Very simple. Okay, so this is how we identify the rejection. It can be a pin bar close or a pin bar close is very actually it's so much like good. It's actually good if you have a pin bar close. But yeah, we just need to we just need the candle close above or below the key level. Okay, and for the breakout or shift in one time frame lower. So this is our second confirmation. We need a breakout or a shift in one time frame lower, or you can apply the ICT time frame alignment concept. So monthly SNR, okay, monthly fresh level rejection. After the rejection, we need a breakout on daily time frame. Okay, breakout is something like this. I explained it in my previous video. I'll explain it again. Breakout is something like this. So we have our key level right here, market. We have a high right here, and market mitigated this key level, and it's going to break this high. Okay, break this high. After it break this high, we can take this as a breakout. Okay, after this high gets break, we can take this as a breakout. That's the simplest way to explain the breakout. Or if you're looking for a shift has to be something like this. We have a wick right here. Okay, we have a wick right here, and market needs to close above this wick. Okay, market needs to close above this wick to confirm this as a shift, market structure shift, like a MSS. Okay, like an MSS. So that's how we identify this shift and MSS and our breakout. This is the breakout. This is the breakout. Like you can identify this breakout like this. Okay. We have a A shape right here. If the market breaks this A shape, okay, with a strong candle body close, we can identify this as a breakout. Or if the market close above this wick from a very strong candle body close, we can identify this as a shift. That's all. Okay, this is a bullish structure of the shift and the breakout. So that's how we identify a breakout or a shift. So we need to understand this also. Monthly SNR rejection, breakout on daily. Weekly SNR rejection, breakout on 4 hour. Daily SNR rejection, and breakout on 1 hour. 4 hour SNR rejection, breakout on 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute. 1 hour SNR rejection, breakout on 30 minute or 15 minute. 30 minutes SNR rejection, breakout on 5 minute, and 15-minute SNR rejection, breakout on 1 minute. Okay, so you can take a screenshot if you're gonna get if you like forget about this stuff. You can take a screenshot. Yeah, you can take a screenshot. Yeah. Okay, so let's talk about the obstacles. Okay, let's talk about obstacles are something like this. Okay, obstacles are something like this. So when we are looking at a storyline, we get lower time frame key levels as well. Okay, we're gonna get lower time frame key levels as well. So obstacle are the one time frame lower key levels that's the market can give pullbacks, retracements. Okay, obstacles can't reverse the market, but it gives pullback and continue the major storyline. It gives pullbacks and continue the major storyline. Okay, so obstacles mostly gonna form on one time frame lower or lower time frames. Okay, so these obstacles can't actually reverse the market. It gives pullbacks. Okay, it gives pullbacks and it continues the major storyline. These obstacles can't reverse the market. It can, but not most of the time. Okay, it can reverse the market if it's a overlapping level or something, but actually it can't reverse the market. It just gives pullbacks, and it market gonna continue with major storyline. Okay, so this is an example of an obstacle. So we have a daily fresh level right here, and we have a daily fresh level right here. Okay, market mitigated this daily fresh level and it made it unfresh, and it came to this 4 hour obstacle. This obstacle can be a resistant 4 hour resistant level, 4 hour QM or something. Okay, 4 hour SBR, something. Okay, so market came to this 4 hour fresh level and it gave a little bit of pullback. Okay, but it didn't reverse the market. It gave a little bit of pullback, and then it continued it's a market major storyline. Okay, it continued the market's major storyline, and it came again to this 4 hour key level and it gave a nice pullback, and again it continued the major storyline. Major storyline is bullish because we mitigated this level and we break the structure. So we have a daily storyline right here, and we have these 4 hour obstacles. Market came here, gave a pullback, and it continued the major storyline. And storyline is ended from here. Market can break this daily fresh level actually, because we can't guarantee until we have a shift or a break of structure. Okay, so if you're looking at a daily storyline, obstacle will be on H4. So yeah, obstacle is gonna be, and mostly it's gonna be on one time frame lower. Okay, mostly obstacles gonna form on one time frame lower. That's it. Or we can look at these like H1 obstacle also. We can take H1 obstacles also, but I'm mostly looking at H4 obstacles if we are in a daily bullish storyline. Okay, that's the simplest way to explain the obstacles. Okay, so that's actually it on the storyline concept, because this is a very easy concept, but most of the people like explaining it very advanced. So yeah, so let's look at some examples actually. Okay, so we can look for some examples in gold chart actually. So let's look at some examples. So we have a daily resistance level right here. Okay, we have a daily resistance level right here. I'm not gonna show so many examples. I'm just gonna look at this one example. Actually, you can try it yourself. So I'll just explain this. So yeah, we have a daily resistance right here, and we have a daily support right here. Okay, you can clearly see. Okay, you can clearly see market came into this one, this fresh resistance level. It unfresh this fresh resistance level and it came down to this fresh level. That's all. See, that's all. This is a very simple storyline. Market came down right here, and it again came up, like it break the structure, it gave a shift, nice little shift from here, and we have a QM right here. Market tapped into this QM, this daily QM, and gold went up like crazy. See, gold went up from here. Actually, gold went up from here. So yeah, market came to this resistance level, and it made it unfresh and came down again, made it unfresh and came up. We have this fresh QM level right here, and market tapped into this level and went up. Okay, so let's look at some another example from here. So we have, okay, we have this, but we have this RBS level right here. We can confirm this RBS after the shift. Actually, okay, market shifted to the upside and gave a retracement to this RBS level. We can target this resistance level right here. Okay, we can target this resistance level right here, and market came down to this RBS and it went up to this fresh level. Okay, see right here, even right here, market unfresh this fresh resistance level and it came down. Okay, and it came down to some kind of fresh level. We can take this RBS level. Actually, okay, we can take this RBS level, and market came down to here and it break the structure, and it again came down to this RBS level and it went to this fresh level, and it again unfresh this level, came down, made a new support, and unfresh this support, went up. See, this is a really easy concept if you are looking at higher time frames. Actually, the most powerful time frames to look at the storyline is daily and weekly, and I'll be explaining about the mini storyline in further videos, and I'll be consistent with my uploadings also because I couldn't upload for a while. So yeah, that's all, and you can apply this concept to your trading plan actually. And yeah, that's all. If you want to learn about more advanced stuff, you can join my mentorship actually, and I'll be put my contact information in the description. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, subscribe to my channel. We are about to hit 1K subscribers, and thank you so much guys. And comment down what you need in further videos, and also like this video. So I'll be seeing you guys in a new Msnr video. Bye guys.